Today I will introduce a special soup for you. Ginseng date Chinese yam soup. Here are the steps. First, soak dates and ginger and ginseng for 2 hours. These are the dates and ginseng is soaked for 2 hours. To boil, second, boil dates and ginseng for 10 minutes. Now, let me pour this inside the well, during the 10 minutes, I will introduce something about the ingredients. First of all, let's have a look at ginseng. Ginseng has a temperature of warm and flavors of sweet and bitter. It's a super tonic. Its benefits range from improving thinking to lowering your blood sugar. But there are some tips when you're using this. If your blood pressure is high, you have a high blood pressure, make sure to use the sun-cured ginseng. There are 2 kinds of ginseng. These are the white ones and the red ones. In cold weathers you should use these red ones. Now it's early spring in Beijing. It's still a little cold, so we used the red ones. And remember, don't use too many pieces of this because its temperature is warm. There are 4 persons in our family. I used only 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the ginseng. And if you have high blood pressure, make sure to use the white ones. And the second ingredient is date. Date has a temperature of warm and a flavor of sweet, but its temperature is much more weaker than ginseng, so you can use more dates. Look, I have so many dates inside the pot. Dates can tonify qi and blood in traditional Chinese medicine, and of course the spleen, such as the same as Chinese yam, called shanyang. It's neutral in nature and have a flavor of sweet. So it doesn't matter you have 4 or 8 or 12 pieces of the Chinese yam. Don't worry that it can make you too hot or cold. It's alright. Chinese yam can tonify the spleen and can make your digestion and work better. If you have the feeling of tiredness, dull face, or sore back, cold limbs, and poor appetite or depression, please consider Chinese yam soup, just this ginseng date Chinese yam soup. And after a few minutes, I will put this inside the pot. These are the ones I already peeled. Look, it's the outside of the Chinese yam is a little yellow or brown, but after peel them, you can see inside just as in the plate. Well, somebody may be allergic to the inside of the Chinese yam. Inside of this is something a little sticky. But if you feel uncomfortable with your hands, just put on gloves before you doing this. No? So Chinese yam is enough. I won't use this piece of Chinese yam. So let's wait. Now, just put it inside and wait for another 10 minutes. Soil inside and stir them. A few minutes later, you can get them out. Now, let me pull some out. This is a bowl of ginseng date Chinese yam soup. Thank you for watching.